from this event, and even back toward the west around Sunbury, Pennsylvania, maybe even Pittsburgh. Not those blockbuster totals, but still pretty good high single-digit snowfall. And then down toward the south around Washington, D.C. Maybe some mixing, but still through Saturday evening, expecting close to 6 to 12 inches of snow. You may be close to 10 inches around Washington, D.C., but some of those totals may be held down in the immediate area by some mixing going on. Could be some warm air working in, and that could mean some sleet, maybe some freezing rain. But north of that, Philadelphia, maybe 6 to 12. New York City through the evening, 3 to 6 on the ground. And then after that, more snow and the heavy snow coming in. And then Boston, as we said, could be a couple inches on the ground by sunset. And then this thing going gangbusters as we look on through Saturday night and early Sunday morning. So make your preparations now if you have not already. Maybe some power outages. Definitely planning on, indoor activities, movies, maybe playing some games, DVDs, whatever you need to do in this part of the country. It is going to get ugly, and it's going to get ugly quickly. It's going to snow hard, and it's going to snow hard for a few hours, and it'll be over with, and it will be bitter cold. So you've got to prepare for all those things as a cold air is in place, and this piece of energy moving on off toward the east rapidly should develop on off the east coast, intensify, and move on off toward the north and northeast. Now back toward the west where the snow will be tapering off, at least from the initial system. We are expecting to see some lake effect snow showers to get those totals up close to double digits out around Chicago and even down around South Bend and maybe even around Fort Wayne. But we still are expecting that general 6 to 12 inch snowfall in this stripe here shaded in purple, and you could have some lake enhancement there out around Muskegon and maybe even around Grand Rapids. And then Detroit, a general 4 to 8 inch snow, which really is not too bad. It's going to cause problems. And then Cleveland, you could be close to that 6 to 12 inch snowfall. And there's the energy. There's the maker. You can see that classic comma shape as this storm continues to intensify as it slides on off toward the east. Big time problems. We're talking Tom Hanks big as we look on through the day Saturday and Saturday night and even early Sunday. Now some impact in the southeast, clouds and scattered rain showers around, but precipitation totals with cooler temperatures shouldn't be all that significant. The light green indicating where you could see a couple of tenths of an inch of rain shower activity. And through parts of the Carolinas, there may be some icing, but at this point, we're not anticipating any accumulating snow and or ice, but just enough cold air around that you could have that problem. Now, out toward the west, the next system coming in.